what's burning up here, but it's big. Hopefully we're not going to be real close to it. I think I figured it out. These are all sugarcane fields, and that's what they're doing, is they're burning off the field. As I can see, there's new planting over here off to my right, and yeah, that's got to be what it is. This is a must-stop place.
Continue 2 miles, then turn right on Southwest 376th Street.
So if you're headed into the Everglades, you have to go by Roberts is here, and they have fruits and stuff that I have never seen anywhere. Plus, you know, stuff you've seen, cantaloupes, bananas, mangoes. But their milkshakes are one of the reasons to stop here. I'll give you an idea of what they are. So, if you want an exotic milkshake, this would be the place to go. So if you're like me, you've seen these purple martin houses all over, but never actually saw one of the birds. There you go. That's what they look like. So I went basic, got a strawberry shake, and they give you a spoon. This thing's super thick. But like I said, Roberts is here. Great place. Got all kinds of fresh veggies and or fresh fruit, and it's right on the way into the park. And the milkshakes are great. So the price for coming into the Everglades National Park is $25. If you're on a motorcycle, it's only $20. That's for one person, and we add $8 per person. If you have a interagency pass, I've got a senior pass. It's free. If you want to get one of these now, they're $80. I'm old enough, I got this for $10. So just coming in here, last year, this paid for itself. So if you're going to be touring the national parks, get one of the interagency passes. If you're going to be sticking around like one park, like the Everglades or whatever, this one, it's $40 for the annual pass. So if you're here in the same park more than once, it might be worth it to do it that way. You know, when you think of the Everglades, you think of it as like a sea of grass, but there's trees out here too. A lot of pine, cypress, but there is also grass. So it's not just a one-shot deal. I'm wondering how much of this damage that I'm seeing is from the hurricane that came through last year. I'm guessing a lot of it, because all those trees seem to all be knocked down going to the young ones seem to be knocked down going in the same direction. By now they should be starting to be green, unless they got killed off. I was here last year, some of you may remember, and I got to pick my own site last year. This year, different person, they assigned me. I think I was in 67 now. Last year, this year I'm in 61. But as you can see, it's not a big open field because there are a few trees, but not a ton of trees, which is fine. Works for me for the solar. And she asked if I had a reservation. I don't. I just came. And we're going to find out. It's going to be interesting to see if this fills up. She asked somebody. Yeah, it makes no sense. I don't think this place is going to fill up at all. No, at least not now.